The father of the late Speaker of Parliament, Nassan Okori, has told mourners that his son, Jacob Oulanyah, told him about his illness and projected his death would come soon. Okori says his last conversation with his late son was when he told him he had been poisoned and asked him to tell the president. Benson Ongom with more.
As many gathered this place to condole with him, the father of the Speaker of Parliament, Nassan Okori, says his son, Speaker, told him about his illness and projected he would not live long.
And I was at Magiki. Ulua Utitani and to Mernitek, Caso and no Carja. And no to Ichai and Mount Me. Couldn't Martil, couldn't talk Mitchell, and no whatever.
He says during his last conversation with his son, Jacob asked him to tell the president about what happened, insisting he was poisoned.
And